Do you have big things coming soon? Do you want to be hot boy this season? I'm going to show you how to make Dmax taillights clear, icy, and shiny. Need screwdrivers. Got a little tiny flathead here. Easy to get into the cracks right here. Phillips, and then a smaller Phillips. Next, you need your favorite heat gun. First, we're going to start out with brand new Dmax tail light. Next, you want to heat up the area all around the back here, all around the perimeter. You can actually hear the plastic cracking just a little bit. It's not actually cracking, it's just the adhesive loosening up. So I'm going to go ahead and get my screwdriver in while this is warm. Lightly start prying. I'll be very careful, because if you go too fast, you'll end up chipping it off. So now that I have this started here, I'm going to go back with my heat gun, start going in again. As you need, just keep on adding heat, prying away a little bit. I actually found it's easier to start on the trunk side right here where that center garnish goes. I'm gonna start right here at this corner right here. That's how I chipped my previous one. I heated this up, but not enough, and then I put my screwdriver in, pried it, pulled that whole corner right off. The back side of it too. All right, we're gonna see if that's enough to get it to budge at least. I don't think so. It's going a little bit. Probably gonna hit it again because that's looking a little bit sketch. Once you get a corner, it's usually pretty easy to get after that. So this is a game of distribution of stress and patience. I can see the corner slightly going. Just kind of just have to work at it. Now that I have this dug in here, I'm gonna hit it with the heat gun from the back. Give it that little extra it needs. There we go. See, it's starting to go now. So I'm gonna get this in here quickly. Slowly but surely. You can kind of see. There. See, she's going. Should be enough heat. Maybe, might need a little bit more. You kind of just wanna wiggle it on through, like so. I don't know if you can really tell, but I'm like going from one spot and then prying, twisting, and then moving on to the one next to it, scooting over the snap-on screwdriver. Pry some more. I'm gonna add a little bit more heat. Feeling a little funny there. Now I'm just gonna go through here and pry up like I did everywhere else. See how that's just coming right up? Still be careful, you're not out the woods yet. And this is still very fragile and can crack at any second on you. Really don't like that. I'm gonna start moving down here some more. Oh. Now I'm gonna flip it over, work on getting it out from this side. Same kind of idea. Flip it, pull it, repeat, rinse and repeat. All right, I'm gonna heat that up a little bit more. Getting a little bit cool. It's good enough, I think. There we go. Shoot. Every time I hear something like that, it always scares me. Keep on walking it down. You can kind of see the adhesive from the side as it pulls away from the lens. Should have something that resembles this. There's your lens. Housing, starting to separate, almost got it out. All right, I'm just gonna go like this and heat from the back while prying, and it should all come out in one piece. Still feels like it doesn't want to go. Oh, here we go. There it goes. It's coming off right now. At least I think it is. Remember, patience. It's the main thing here. I'm gonna hit this with some more heat, maybe. Nope, don't need to. It's coming out right now. That's it. There's your lens. There's your housing. And this is why we took out those two screws back there. See this? Garbage. And with those 4 bolts we took out of the back, we can now take out the whole LED unit here, and I'm gonna show you how to get that red piece off. So Dmax made it mad easy to get these off. You just take off this panel here with those two. There's 2 on each side. These are on the corners, these are more towards the middle. Garbage. Then you just feed your pigtail back through. Just like that. And then before you assemble it back together, I like to wipe down all the fingerprints I've left on here, because once you put this on, consider it permanent. After giving these 2 surfaces a quick wipe down with glass cleaner, they're ready to go back together. If I remember correctly how I did it last time, I just laid these 2 on top of each other and then heated the surrounding area again until the glue started to warm up again and they fused back together. Just gonna press around all the areas that we hit with the light. Go fire up our heat gun. Should be good for now. Let's see if that works. Yep. It's starting to go back together, nice and smooth. That looks good. Press it all back into place. Sometimes I'll have some kind of like gum material here to cover up that screw hole. When this glue gets hot, it just molds right back over it. So just go ahead and cover that back up. Make sure everything looks all sealed up so you don't have any water. Then again, you won't have any condensation. And just like that, you get a fresh, clear tail light.